Congratulations on your new sale from Masterpiece Online. This short video will walk you through the next steps in finalizing your sale. After a customer purchases an item from Masterpiece Online, you will receive an email notifying you of the details regarding the purchase. All of this information is automatically added to your Masterpiece profile. After logging in, go to Sales and Transaction List. Note under the Sale Type column, the one that reads MPO, is the Masterpiece Online sale. Double-click to open. You may need to add additional item information to the sale, like shipping. On the Payments tab, click on the Payment row to view credit card information which has been encrypted. If you have the proper permissions, you will see a View button that you can press to decrypt. This is important to note if you are using a separate credit card processing company that has not been integrated into Masterpiece. If you are using TSYS, you can click on the Apply Payment button to process. After receiving an authorization number, you know that the card has been processed. If you are not using TSYS, you can use the number in the credit card field to process. Once done, press Save and Close. The sale is now finalized, and you can send the receipt to the customer by clicking the Email Invoice button, or saving as a PDF, or by emailing directly.